The Bangladesh government has struck a $2.2 billion United States dollars deal with China to acquire Chengdu J-10CE multirole fighter jets under the force's Gold 2030 program. The purchase includes the procurement of 20 aircraft, training, maintenance and logistics support until 2036. The acquisition is expected to be completed during fiscal years 2026 and 2027, and is financed under a 10-year payment plan. Bangladeshi pilot conversion training will take place in China starting in 2027. The first batch of aircraft will be delivered in late 2027 or early 2028. The arrival of the J-10CE is a leap forward for the Bangladesh Air Force, BAF, with the first operation of the advanced 4.5 generation fighter jet, which will replace the aging Chengdu F-7 aircraft. Operationally, the integration of the J-10CE will require the BAF to modernize its command, control, communications, computers, and intelligence (C4I) systems. The aircraft's digital architecture supports networked operations when paired with airborne early warning and control (AEW&C) assets, enabling real-time sharing of radar and targeting data. To fully exploit these features, the BAF plans to expand its ground-based data link network and increase radar coverage in the Bay of Bengal and the southeastern border corridor. Two BAF bases, namely Cox's Bazar Air Base and Barishal Air Base, are being prepared for the future deployment of the J-10CE. These bases will house newly constructed shelters, modern fuel storage, and maintenance facilities to support high-intensity sortie operations. With this agreement, Bangladesh will become the second country to operate the J-10CE fighter jet after Pakistan. As is known, the Pakistan Air Force, PAF, has operated 20 aircraft since March 2022 and has placed an order for 16 more in 2024.